In case if you are working on Windows, let me show you how to generate your SSH key and access to your freshly created virtual server on DigitalOcean on Windows. To get to that point, you need to install Cygwin, which is the command line from the Unix world, but for Windows. For that, you need to go to the www.cygwin.com site, where you can find on the home page the setup for 32 or 64-bit installation. Select the one that fits your operation system. Keep in mind that all modern operation systems are usually they're 46-bit, so you are safe to download this file to your local computer. You don't need to be an administrator to install this Cygwin. So to install this, go to your PC local disk C and create folder install where to put your setup for Cygwin. Next, in case if you are not admin user, please go to the desktop and create a shortcut for the CMD, which is a command console application which exists in any Windows installations. Now, after running this command, you need to walk and find your Cygwin installation file. For that, use command cd c install. By typing dir, you should see the freshly downloaded file here. But in case if you are not admin, you need to run it setup with additional option no admin. Then after running, go through the installation of Cygwin. Next, choose install from internet, where you should install your Cygwin. Select the default option, which is Cygwin 64, and install for just me, because all users won't work in case if you are not administrator. Then keep local package directory as default. It will keep the downloaded packages inside your downloads folder. Direct connection. Choose any mirror from the list. Then in view, press select full, and in search select open SSH. You need to find the open SSH and mark it as click on the new column to get the version. The first one is okay. In my case it's 7.4p1-1, so next. Wait until it is installed. It should be really fast. And create icon on desktop. Now you can close command console, and on desktop you should find the Cygwin 64 terminal, which is basically the console but with all the fancy features from Linux. In this console you can now use the command named SSH kgen, but you need to put some additional options. Make it type of RSA and make it really good in terms of security. Minus B 4096 and minus C. Put here your email address. For demo purposes, I'm going to use test.com. keep the file default. You can enter your passphrase, but for demo purposes I'm going to skip it. And bingo, your key is generated. So for the DigitalOcean, you need to use this key. But as you can see, the Cygwin terminal shows you the path in terms of Linux, not Windows. For getting the content of your SSH key, use command named cat and type home. In my case, it's my home directory .ssh /id rsa pub. Now you can, in your case, copy the key by mouse from SSH RSA, and in your email, right mouse button, copy, and put it to the DigitalOcean SSH key window. After droplet created, you can use the same Cygwin window to access to your server by typing SSH, login as root, and here you should put your IP address, whatever DigitalOcean is telling you the IP address. Thank you.